Assalamualaikum everyone. It's me Ms. Iqra Abdul Hakim, Directress of Playgroup from the Educators for Class Campus. We are back with our virtual classes again. So students, today we are going to do the next subject work. Before of that, what we do? We always start our class with the holy name of Allah. So fold your arms and recite Ta'uz. Ta'uz, A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Translation: I seek the refuge to Allah from Shaitan the outcast. Tasmiyah: Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Translation: with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the Lord of mercy. Now raise your hands for dua, students. Dua for increasing knowledge. Rabbi Zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब, मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Ameen. So students, let's move towards our working today. Student, today is Wednesday, 4th August 2020-21 and our subject is math. So let's go towards working. So students, all of you have received this bunch of worksheets, and this bunch of worksheet is divided according to days. Worksheets are divided according to days. So today is Tuesday, 3rd August 2021, and the working of subject is English. English subject working we will do today. So let's solve our work. So students, first we will solve this worksheet. The instruction is identify and write letter E with correct picture. So you have to focus on the beginning sound of picture. For example, there is ink. Ink. What sound can you hear at the beginning? Ink. Ink. Yes. E. So we can write here E. Short standing line and a dot. This is E. The next picture is hat. Can you hear the sound E? No. Hat. Hat does not contain E sound. The next picture is cattle. 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 Can you hear the sound E? No. And the next one is insects. Insects. Yes. E. Insects. We can hear the sound E. The next one is lemon. Lemon. Is there E sound at the beginning? No. And at last, here is igloo. Here is an igloo. Igloo. Can you hear the sound E? Yes. E at the beginning. Igloo. And the next worksheet is, see the instruction. Identify and circle the beginning letter of picture. Here are some pictures and two sounds are given with each picture. You have to circle the correct one. Here is hat. Hat. And H and E is given. So E, hat can be. Can you hear the sound E at the hat, at the beginning of hat? No. H, hat. Yes. H is the beginning sound of hat. So we have circled. The next picture is a girl. 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 B girl? No. G girl? Yes. G. We can hear G. Circle the G sound. The next picture is a fish. D fish? No, we cannot hear the D sound. Fish? F fish? Yes. We hear the sound F. The next one is engine. Engine. G engine? Can you hear the G sound at the beginning of engine? No. Engine? Yes. Engine. Circle the sound A. And the next worksheet is, see the instructions. Identify and write the beginning letter of each picture. There are some pictures given. You have to identify the picture and then focus the beginning sound of the picture and write. Okay. So first picture is a car. Car. What sound can you hear at the beginning? Car. K. Yes. K is very simple. Draw a curved line. This is K. Car. Here is an igloo. Igloo. What sound can you hear? E. Igloo. Here is a girl. 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 What sound can you hear? G. Here is girl. Right, G. And then here is a bell. Bell. What sound can you hear? ball. Standing line and a curved line. Very simple. And then here is a fish. What sound can you hear? F. A curved line and then standing line. Little curve and a standing line and a sleeping line. This is f. At last here is jelly. Draw a standing line. What sound are we going to write here? Can you guess? Jelly. J. We can hear J at the beginning of jelly. So draw a standing line and a little curve or sleeping line. Put a dot. This is jelly. Student, this was the working of today. You have to do it, and I hope you can do it. And enjoy. Keep learning. Stay home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.